girls, and today we are learning all about density. Density is a scientific word that is used to compare the space in an object in relation to the amount of matter in the object. So that's volume and mass. So for this experiment, we will need a pitcher of water, 2 tall glasses, 2 eggs, salt, and a spoon. The first thing that we need to do is we would need to fill the glasses with water high. This is tap water. So we're going to leave 1 glass with the tap water, and then with the other glass, we're going to use a lot of salt. There's no measurements for this one. You just need a whole lot of salt. Now with my spoon, I am going to mix it. Now we're going to watch. Come in closer, please. Inside this glass with the tap water, I'm going to put the egg. And as you guys can see, it sank to the bottom. Inside of this glass with the salt water, let's see what happens. Look, it's floating to the top. The reason why this egg is floating is because inside this glass, the density is higher. Whenever something have a high density, it's heavy and compact. So this is an experiment you can try at home as long as you have tap water, 2 tall glasses, egg, salt, and spoon. Try it at home and let me know how it works out for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.